Timo the Word Scout leads a world of learning and adventure. Fun, discovery, and adventure unfold across exciting new worlds. The adventure is set across Whispering Woods, Space Mission, and Ancient Canyon. The world of Whispering Woods features hidden word treasures. The Space Mission is set among planets filled with word power. Ancient Canyon is shaped by writing carved in stone. The adventure stays full of excitement and discovery. A fun learning adventure in VocabLand continues with Timo the Word Scout.